Hello there, it's B, and thank you so much for landing on my video. As you can see by the title, today we are going to be making the French tips, or French manicure, how you say it, with dual forms and polygel. I will show you these three techniques with different fingers and you can judge them later. First things first, prepping the nails, removing the cuticles and putting on the base coat. On the first nail, I will trim the nail so it's almost as short as the pink part, but be careful not to hurt yourself. Then I will match the dual form to my finger. And since I have quite large fingers, the size 5 is suitable for this one. Then I take around a pea size of a nude polygel. Pat it to the same size as my nail plate. Make sure to make it thin on the sides and bottom. You can see the gel ends with my nail. Cured it for 60 seconds and it came a little shorter than my actual nail. Always wipe away the sticky layer and file the edges smooth. Now taking the white polygel and putting it in the middle of the dual form. Pat it around and make sure it comes down to about half your nail plate, if you see what I mean. Then press the form to your nail and start slowly pulling it down. You can see the white gathered down, so take a brush and pat it around again, smooth the edges and cure for 60 seconds. Just clip the hairy outer edges. And you can see the white came a little thin on some parts, so I just added a little more gel on the top and cured it. File to your liking and that's it! I love the transition from nude to white with this technique. Now with this method we also need short nails and the beginning is pretty much the same with the previous one. Now take a suitable dual form and press it on your finger using the next finger. This is a little bit risky and would be much easier with some clips to hold the dual form steady. You will be applying the white straight to the nail, so if you have a nail clip, be sure to use it. So as you can see, the dual form kind of slided off because I was pushing it too hard with my other finger, but nothing I cannot fix. After fixing and filing, this is how it looks like. The last method is different from the previous ones because we will be needing a longer nail for that. Choose your dual form and fill it longer with a new polygel. You can do it on short nails too, but in my experience, this way the polygel just stays on longer. Clean it and file it to a nice form. Now we take a white gel polish, some smaller brush and start painting. I saw this technique somewhere and it helps to get a really nice smile line, but my nude tone was already so see-through that I could actually just paint it on my natural smile line. Yeah, I always go over the edges, but it's no big thing, you can always clean them up before curing. I did this for 3 coats after I was satisfied with the white not being transparent anymore. So, first one was the white with sliding on, second was putting white straight to the nail, and third one was just painting over. And that's it! These were my 3 techniques to achieve French manicure with dual forms and polygel. Be sure to let me know which method you would give a try. And if you wonder where the hearts came from, be sure to check out my last video on Valentine's Day nails. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!